Welcome back, finance fans, to part 5 of a 7-part series discussing the most common financial goals and how to work towards achieving them. Buying your first home is a life-changing moment with many financial, personal, and social benefits. Traditional real estate is an important asset class to consider when looking to build wealth and become financially free. In this video, we will look at how to save for your first home. Saving for a down payment is often the biggest hurdle for first-time home buyers. The amount you need to save will vary greatly depending on where you live. The typical down payment is around 8% of the purchase price for first-time home buyers in the United States. In Canada and Australia, the down payment can range from 5 to 20% of the purchase price. If your down payment is on the lower end, you may need to pay mortgage loan insurance. Putting down a 20% deposit is generally preferred, as it allows you to avoid paying lender's mortgage insurance. For a home costing $400,000, a 5% deposit would be $20,000, while a 20% deposit would be $80,000. Research what home prices are like in your city of choice and determine how much you need to save for a down payment. Make this amount your number one goal. Also, don't be afraid to lower your expectations for your first home. You may need to consider a smaller home or a cheaper suburb. Many governments around the world offer incentives to help first-time home buyers. In the United States, several government benefits and programs exist to assist buyers. The First-Time Home Buyer Tax Credit. This program provides a tax credit which can reduce their tax liability. Specific criteria must be met, including income limits and first-time buyer status. The tax credit could significantly lower the overall cost of purchasing a home. For Canadian first-time home buyers, the government offers the First Home Savings Account. It is a registered plan allowing tax-free savings of up to $40,000 for a down payment on a first home. Annual contributions are capped at $8,000. The First Home Owner Grant in Australia is a one-off payment by the government to assist eligible first-time home buyers with purchasing or building a new home. You must live in the home as your principal place of residence for a minimum period, usually 6 or 12 months. It is exclusively available to first-time home buyers. These programs aim to make home ownership more accessible to first-time buyers by reducing upfront costs and providing financial assistance. It is advisable for potential buyers to research specific programs available in their area and consult with a financial advisor or mortgage lender for personalized guidance. To save consistently for your first home, consider these strategies. Set a realistic budget. Create a budget outlining your income, expenses, and savings goal. Be honest about what you can afford to save each month and look for areas to cut back on expenses, such as cooking more meals at home or canceling subscriptions. Please watch my video on how to create a budget and stick to it. Open a dedicated savings account. Open a separate savings account specifically for your home purchase to track your progress and avoid dipping into savings for other expenses. Look for an account with a high interest rate to help your money grow faster. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each week or month to make saving easier. Boost your income. Consider strategies to boost your income, such as taking on a side hustle or a second job. Any additional income can be directly channeled into your savings and bring you closer to achieving your goal of purchasing your first home. Consider moving back home with your parents for 12 months. I know this is not ideal, but hear me out. Moving back in with your parents can significantly boost your savings in a short period of time. Most savings will come from reduced living expenses, which include rent, utilities, and food. You could also save on expenses like cable TV, internet, or subscriptions. My wife and I did this when we were saving for our first home. It wasn't as bad as I first thought it would be. We were working 2 jobs each, and we adopted a frugal lifestyle. Together, we were able to save a massive amount, enough to put a 20% down payment on our first home, which set us up nicely for the future. I understand not everyone has this option available to them. If you do, please consider it. Sacrificing 1 year of independence can make a huge difference in your financial situation going forward. When saving for your first home, consider parking your money in the following places if you plan on buying in less than 3 years. High-interest savings accounts. These accounts offer variable interest rates and easy access to your funds. Look for bonus saver accounts that reward you with extra interest each month when you make deposits and no withdrawals. Some accounts offer introductory bonus rates for a limited time. First Home Bonus Saver. Some banks offer specific savings accounts for first home buyers that may offer bonus interest and cash back when you take out a home loan with them. Check with your bank to see if they offer such an account. Term deposits have been a popular, reliable way of maximizing your savings. Shop around to find banks which offer high interest rates for the time frame you need. If you believe it will take 3 years or more to achieve your goal of saving for a down payment on a home, consider taking on a bit more risk than a savings account or term deposit. Consider Vanguard exchange-traded funds. They have diversified portfolios which are expertly designed and ready-made. You gain access to a portfolio that matches your risk tolerance through a single investment. These funds invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash. Choose an ETF that suits your risk profile and your time frame. These funds have low fees, are well diversified, and can be bought and sold like a stock. Investing allows you to benefit from compounding, where earnings generate additional earnings over time. This could significantly boost the growth of your savings. Saving for your first home can feel very challenging. It is best to tackle it in small, manageable steps. Determine how much you need, take advantage of government benefits, start saving consistently, cut down on expenses, and invest based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. By implementing these strategies, saving for your first home can become an achievable goal. With dedication and planning, you can work towards making homeownership a reality. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep earning, keep saving, and keep investing.